Hi, I'm going to show you the Kaufmann Posographe, a 1920s exposure calculator, which I'm lucky enough to have a couple of examples of. The first one I've got here is the Pathé Baby, which I think was used for early cinematography. More common and less desirable than the English version, which is the other one I have, but nonetheless fantastic thing. 6 input sliders and 1 output slider there, so it's an analog computer. So that's the Cine one, and here's the English language version. These are pretty rare. Normally they're in French, these ones, but this is one of the English ones. They were sold by Sinclair of London back in the 1920s. As you can see, there are very detailed inputs, and this is the output slider. So when you move all the other sliders, it gives you the exposure speed, or the exposure time if you like, and the output pointer has 4 prongs, so depending which film speed you're using, you choose the particular one. So here I am moving the input sliders, the month, the time, what sort of scene it is you're taking the photograph, the lens aperture, the state of the sky, and the lighting of the subject. And on the other side is the interior settings if you're taking an interior photograph. So as you can see, a super beautiful thing. Back to the Cine one, this one actually has screws instead of rivets. The other one is riveted, but this one has got screws, so I'm willing to just briefly take it apart to show you how it works. And this is me just removing the last screw, taking off the covers. These are on an aluminium plate, and there's the brass arms that pivot with each other to move the output slider. So fantastically clever device, and very, very collectible. I think a lot of people really like to collect these items. So thanks for watching. They're really interesting.